Now let's do some exercises so that we can revise whatever we have learned till now. Please make sure you pause the video and do these challenges on your own. So let's begin. The first question is going to be, write a single line comment which says comments can make code readable. Let's do that. Make sure you pause the video and do that by yourself and come back here for the result. Okay, let's add a comment. That comment should say comments can make code readable. That's our comment, single line comment. Next question is, write another single line comment which says welcome to my JavaScript course. Let's also do that. Welcome to my JavaScript course. Now let's go for the next one. Write a multi-line comment which says comments can make code readable, easy to use and informative. Let's add a multi-line comment now. That should start with / and asterisk symbol, and that should end with asterisk symbol and a /. Instead of that, we can write our multi-line comment as we already learned. Let's write comments can make code readable, easy to reuse and informative. That was our third question. Now let's go for the fourth question. That should be, create a variable.js file and declare a variables and assign string, boolean, undefined and null data types. Go ahead and try to do it by yourself, then come to the video. Okay, now let's do that. We need to create another file. That should be variable.js. Let's also make sure that you actually link that file to our index.html. That's how it works, right? That's how we have linked the introduction.js file, this file. Let's also link the variable.js file similar way. I'm just gonna change the file name here. That should be variable now, variable.js. Let's save and head over to my variable.js file. It says we need to declare variables and assign string, boolean, undefined and null data types. Let's do those one by one. I'm gonna say let first name. Let's go with first name. Let's store a string, that is a string. Let's add a comment over here. As you can see, that's how comments actually help and work. Okay, we forgot to add a semicolon over here. Okay, now let's add a boolean data type. Let's go for that only. Is married, false. Let's add comment. That's going to be boolean variable. Now let's go for null data type. Let what should we say, age is null. That's how we declare a null data type. Let's also go for undefined now. That should be a variable which is not been assigned yet. Let's do that. Let's say marks, we do not assign it. That's going to be undefined now. Let's console log this and check. Let's console log first name is married, age null. Sorry, that should be actually marks, right? Now let's console log. As you can see, the first one, that is Somnath, that's a string, and the second one we stored false, that should be false. We declared a null data type, that is null. We didn't assign any value, so it's undefined. There we completed our fourth task. Now as of our fifth challenge, we need to declare 4 variables without assigning any values. How are we gonna do it? It's very simple, right? Let's just remove these values. It says 4 variables without assigning values. We have assigned some values over here. Let's remove those. Okay. Now we have 4 variables without assigning any values. If I console log this, as you can see, all are undefined now. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are gonna talk more about data types. So I will see you in the next one.